If you're going to San Francisco, be sure to wear flowers in your hair. If you come to San Francisco, you're gonna meet some gentle people there. Gentle people there, gentle people will be a loving there. All across the nation, such a strange vibration, people in motion. There's a whole generation with a new explanation. People in motion for those who come to San Francisco. Summertime will be a loving there. In these streets of San Francisco. If you come to San Francisco, summertime will be a loving there.
That was good.
Thank you, sir.